One thing that we are doing differently in this skirt than we did with the last one is we are measuring on the body to see how long the skirt needs to be in the front and also how long it's going to be on the back, because most people, that measurement is not exactly the same. There's an inch variation is very, very normal. Even much more than an inch variation is very, very normal. Our model's measurement in the front was 20 inches and in the back was 21. So there's only an inch variation. So I'm going to measure from the waistband and mark where we want it to be. Right here on the side seam where there's a little bit of some extra fabric, I'm just going to kind of smooth that out. Now, if you watch the previous segment that we did with the pull-on skirt with that free pattern, we're doing the exact same way to measure up from the hem. So we're going to fold up twice so we can enclose that raw edge. So we're going to use our seam gauge to measure how far up and go ahead and give that a press. We're just going to go around again and fold up one more time, enclosing that raw edge so you have a nice clean finish on the inside of your skirt. Now we get to sew it down.